Hello everyone. So this video is for parents of children who indulge in excessive screen time. Schools have been closed due to the pandemic and children are getting to use a lot of screen time due to the usage of online classes. So it has become increasingly difficult for parents to curtail their child's screen time. This video will highlight some of the strategies with which one can regulate their child's screen time. So, the first strategy would be to keep a log of your child's daily screen usage by writing down the date, the online activity, the duration, and the event. The next thing would be to identify the triggers or the situation or the events which lead your child to indulge in excessive screen time. A child might be stressed about something at school or at home, due to which he is indulging in excessive screen time. So after you identify the trigger, your job is to either try to eliminate the trigger or to try and teach the child an alternative coping strategy so as to deal with the trigger in a more effective way. Next thing would be to not to ridicule the child and to tell the child, let the child know the consequences of him not the consequences of him indulging in excessive screen time, the effect it is having on his overall development, on his health, on his academics, so that the child understands and takes steps to prevent them. Next step would be to follow a daily routine for the child, make a daily routine for the child, because some children are so into their screens that they neglect important activities of the day, like taking a shower on time or going to bed on time or taking even meals on time. So once a routine is in place, these activities will be taken care of at least. The next step would be to allow the to practice digital hygiene and practice digital fasting in the family. So what is digital fasting? Digital fasting is a process wherein you allot certain time in your schedule wherein you will not use certain technologies like your phones, your laptops, or television. So this applies not only to the child but also to the parent. So no one in the family should use technology at a certain allotted time. This will not only help in setting an example for the child but will also help improve your relationship with the child, as you will be spending more quality time with your child. Next thing to do would be to not try to reduce the screen time all at once. Instead, focus on increasing other offline activities like painting, dancing, reading, or other offline games like Ludo, chess, etc. So, once the child develops interest in other offline activities, then you can gradually try and taper down his screen time. So, in summary, what you have to do is take small steps, follow a routine, practice digital fasting, and increase your interaction with your child. And if nothing works, consult a specialist. Thank you.